Why, hello there. Happy Saturday. How's it going? Welcome. Hey, sorry. Sorry for the late start. I actually glad I reset my machine because just as I was setting up, things started acting weird. Like the Windows Explorer crashed, and I'm like, okay, I don't think my computer's in a very good state for this right now. And so I went ahead and reset my machine. It took me a while to recover from that, about 10-15 minutes. So, but yeah, exactly. I know. Imagine that. Windows being weird. But yeah, we're back. As you can see, all the hair changes. The Fries quest still existed. Everything still seems to be working okay. But that was fun last night. Thank y'all for a great stream last night of just playing Fries Quest. That was fun. And we'll do... I haven't decided if we'll do it... not this Monday or Wednesday, but next Monday or Wednesday will be the 1-year anniversary of Fries Quest. I actually posted in the Discord a link to the video in the main chat channel around... I posted the first time we played Fries Quest, and it's changed so much. I don't know. It seems to be broken. Yeah, in that sense, it's very anti-Justin in that sense. That's by design. That's coded that way. The logic. If I were to show you that function, it says, and if you've selected Justin, select someone else. Yeah. There's also that code that looks and sees if you're from Ireland. Oh wait, no, that doesn't exist. That's not real code. Anyway, I'm glad to get back on the train for Lords of the Shadow. Metroid Head. I need to fix my Metroid. My Metroid's clip, you can see the clip that holds it on, is kind of starting to come loose. Too much use of Metroid Head. So, I need to get... Neil is better at sewing than I am, so I may need to get him to do it. But it doesn't look too hard. I just need to kind of... It doesn't look like it's got that hard to do. I could probably do it myself. Anyway... As always, we can take a break and play a game off the arcade like Puzzle Bobble. It does not have to be Puzzle Bobble. It can be any of the games on the arcade list right there. Another video I posted was the first time I played Tapper. Since we've been playing Tapper so much, thought you might want to see what it looked like 3 years ago when I played Tapper for the first time on stream. So, all right, let's play Castlevania. Lords of Shadow 2. I can't believe we're at the end of Castlevania. I will not be playing Castlevania anymore unless, of course, they make a new one. But yeah, after this game, it seems like I've been playing it forever. Holes and clothes. Yeah, I know. It seems like it wouldn't be that hard, right? You just gotta get some thread, put it on a needle, and do this, right? I don't know why I'm intimidated by it.
As a fragment of the mirror of fate.
For me, I'm always afraid, like a lot of times when I don't do things, it's because I'm afraid I'm going to permanently mess something up. Like trying to do something around the 5D Castlevania games. Oh my God. I'm just afraid like, oh, I'm going to do something and now it's going to be permanently damaged. And I guess I shouldn't care, but... Don't step on the dead leaves. The noise will reveal your location to Argoris. Use the mist form to go unnoticed. Okay. Okay. Mist form. Okay. Well, what if I hopped up here?
I can smell your fear.
Where is he? If he can smell my fear. Or... There you go. Well, see, you're handier than we are. Uh-oh, there he is. Oh, fuck! Holy schmoly. I guess that doesn't count as a death because it didn't... Okay, I have to go there. Shooting shadow daggers at these bells. Okay. Yeah, it didn't bring up the book, so I'm not going to count that as a
I can
death.
smell your fear.
Okay, so maybe we should head that way.
It is very easy to follow your trail.
Oh, wow! Okay. Alright. Where am I trying to go? I don't even know where I'm trying to go. Alright, we're just gonna... Oh, shit. Okay, I see him now. And now I'm gonna die. There he is. Oh, he's sniffing the air. Oh, fuck.
I'm going to enjoy hunting you. I can smell your fear.
Oh, come on! I am excited about starting Last of Us Part 2. I'm curious where the story's gonna go, right? And this will be the first, this will be the first game I've played on PS4. Will that have then been... Well, of course not. I've played games, I've played like new games. I played Tears of the Kingdom and I played, I guess the Switch is modern hardware, and I've played the Switch a lot. It's funny how I was almost quick to say I haven't played anything on modern consoles. I guess technically I haven't played anything on the PS5 or the Xbox Series X, whatever it's called. I haven't played those yet. Although if we play Jedi Survivor, that will be on the PS5. That's the copy I have right now. It's on the PS5, so. But there he is.
I can smell your fear. Are you playing with me?
Yes.
You can't run forever.
Come on! How? All right, so that's a death. I'm pretty spoiler free on Last of Us Part 2. Yeah, anything major. I remember there was a little bit of controversy at one point, but about her being gay, but that was kind of alluded to in the first one. Ah, I see. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I forgot, Houston. Yeah, I would suggest, yeah, you're gonna have to lurk. Yeah, don't spoil it. It's definitely one of those narrative games, right? Like this one. All right. All right, so someone want to do exclamation mark death? There you go. Thanks, Dark Passenger. I don't know where I'm supposed to be going in this. Oh, good.
Adrius thinks he's toying with me, but he's merely a nuisance in my path.
We get to see him stare at the screen again. Here he goes. Yeah, oh, I see. That's someone bottoms up. Okay. I think I'm supposed to go back that way. He is very emo in this game. Very emo. Right, there he is. I see him.
I can smell your fear. It is very easy to follow your trail. I can smell your fear. Got you.
I decided to say, fuck it, run. He doesn't really have a run, though. He does sound Russian.
I can smell your fear. Got you. You can't run forever.
Ah! Oh, fuck.
You are wise to... Got you.
Okay. All right. Well, so that was interesting. I can mist to stay
I can smell
be
your fear.
to avoid him basically.
Got you. You can't run forever.
The mist does not go back very fast.
I'm going to enjoy hunting you.
Shit!
I can smell your fear.
I'm scared.
I'm going to enjoy hunting you.
I was misting! Your fear reeks. You know, I just love stealth.
Got you. You are wise to hide.
I rang the bell over there. Why is he coming to get me? Oh, I guess I died again.
Yes, the deranged brother of Pan has a fragment of the Mirror of Fate.
Oh, I see. He's the deranged brother of Pan. All right, someone do a exclamation mark death. All right, thanks, Arcade Bear. And then here's what you get. Okay.
Got you.
I'm trying to sneak over here, Justice. Thanks, Gigglepuss. Dang, aka Justice. Hey, Tesha. I'm trying to be.
Run forever.
I'm trying to be sneaky.
Are you playing with me?
Yes. All right, so it seems like the best thing I did. Oh, I even see the X now where I'm supposed to go. So actually, I'm supposed to go over there. But I think I have to go there via that way. Gotta be. Thing.
I can smell your fear. Got you. You are wise to hide.
Oh my god, I think he saw me.
You can't run forever.
Ah!
Got you. You are wise to hide. It is very easy to follow your trail. Are you playing with me?
I guess you can't ring that bell too much.
Got you. Got you. You can't run forever. I can smell your fear. I can smell your fear. Got you. You are wise to hide. Got you.
One. Missed. Why can't I miss? Oh, I see. It was disabled. Crap. Down. I'm gonna go hide over
I'm
here.
going to enjoy hunting you.
Enjoys hunting me.
It is very easy to follow your trail.
Is it now?
I can smell your fear.
I'm not here. I'm not here. Go away.
I can smell
Oh my God.
your fear. I'm going to enjoy hunting you. It is very easy to fall. Got you.
No, 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 no. Is it better? I was so close. What does smell fear like? Chicken? Probably. I don't know. I guess I died again. But that was like the furthest I got, so that's not too bad. Dinner. Thanks for the lurk, Greggles.
Agrius thinks he's toying with me, but he's merely a nuisance in my path.
RK Bear already got it. To Swiss Chalet? Okay. Does it smell like fear?
Got you. You can't run forever. Got you. You are wise to hide. You can't run forever. I can smell your fear.
And you know. Okay, I got to here. Oh, I see.
Got you. You are wise to hide.
Run. Oh my god, run.
You sealed your fate.
Oh my god. We all should apologize, Houston. We knew you were joking. Yeah. Yeah. This is probably not a good sign that I'm healing. Like, that was full heal, full power. Does that mean I'm going to fight something? That seems likely. I'm going to fight something. An owl. I'm going to fight this owl. Oh. Oh, I know what I'm supposed to do. Where did it go? Uh...
You shall not pass.
I figured I'm fighting this guy now. Looks like he's made of wood. Can I just... Ow!
I'll see your cadaver at my feet.
Dang it.
I will honor my brother with your death.
Will you now?
I've waited centuries for this moment.
Now he's got sickles. Ow! That hurt.
You'll pay for this betrayal.
Dang it.
You'll be my final victim.
Well, I know. Ow! Dang it.
I will honor my brother with your death. You'll be my final victim. I'll see your cadaver at my feet. You'll pay for this betrayal. I've waited centuries for this moment.
Dang it. So close. A lot of dodging in this game. Yeah, I knew I wasn't gonna get it. But it was I did pretty well for my first time attacking that guy. Alright, I need another death. That was not bad.
I must return to Trevor and give him the mirror fragment that I took from Agrias.
Oh, was that the mirror fragment that I picked up? It just looked like a kind of a knot.
You'll pay for this betrayal. avenge you, brother! I'll see your cadaver at my feet!
Oh, I can break that. I see.
I waited centuries for this moment.
Come on, I dodged that.
I will honor my brother with your death! You are mine!
That's not good.
You can't run away forever! I waited centuries for this moment. I will avenge you, brother! I'll see your cadaver at my feet!
Oh, that was a good attack. Oh, that was a good attack too. Yeah. I tried to go with brute force that time, which maybe I should try that.
I must return to Trevor and give him the mirror fragment that I took from Agrias.
I will avenge you, brother! I will honor my brother with your death! I will avenge you, brother!
Not a good run.
Brother, guard my weapon! I waited centuries for this moment. I'll see your cadaver at my feet. I will avenge you, brother! You'll pay for this betrayal!
Dang it. Alright, we gotta play defensive now.
Still paying for this betrayal.
Oh! Oh!
Still paying for this betrayal.
Oh, so close! Oh, so close! So close. He had a little bit left, and I also had a little bit left. And, oh, so close. Well, that made me feel better because I declared at the beginning that this isn't the run, and it was almost the run. So, yeah, speaking of rip, boom. Ooh, Comrade Quest wants me to play arcade mode. Well, that's a good place to pause. With my death, what would you like me to play, Comrade Quest? And I hope you're doing good. Having a good weekend so far. Plug in my controller. Oh! Always good, you know, when you have a tough boss, taking a break and then coming back to it's always a good idea. Ugh. In case you need the list. Dealer's choice. All right, so do !Rand Arcade. And that's what we'll do. Anything but Tapper. There's actually 2 X-Men games on there. There is here. Let's I think, well, there's the original X-Men. Yeah, and then there's X-Men Children of the Atom. Which is that's more of a fighting game. So yeah, there's X-Men. You want me to play X-Men? All right. Original. Comrade Quest wants me to play X-Men in arcade mode. Version AAA. 93. All right, so the high score is 93. I love the opening on this one. It's hilarious. Especially Wolverine with his giant hairy arms. There it is. Do you have a particular X-Man that you want me to play? There's the choices. Wolverine. Well, so there's the choices for next game.
Wolverine. In the 21st century, evil mutants led by Magneto aim to destroy the world. Humans can do nothing against the power of the evil mutant. The only hope is X-Men.
Oh,
Go
there's.
and save the city.
Pyro will
There we go. He killed me! Oh, and I tied! Oh my god, I tied it. Yeah, did you notice, I keep stabbing, yeah, I keep stabbing in the nuts. I noticed that too. That was a cheap shot, because all I was doing was walking and then the electricity. I would assume that's the next boss. So this may be actually tough. It's coming. It's with a Q. AQT. All right, so what's another X-Men you'd like me to play as? Maybe I'll do better with that one.
X-Men.
Colossus, let's see.
Colossus.
All right, we'll try it.
In the 21st century. To save the world from destruction. They are X-Men.
Oh, yeah. come on.
Nothing moves the blob.
There we go. Let's go.
X-Men. We have been taken by Magneto. However, we had time to locate their base on Island M. Destroy it.
Doesn't look like Patrick Stewart. $113. All right. Woo! That's true. Some of these weren't that
X-Men.
hard to beat. Huh. All right. So do you want me to keep playing Comrade Quest? Do you want me? Do you have another X-Men you want me to try out? Or I can go back to Castlevania. Sure, that was fun. All right, let me put your name on the high score list real quick. For X-Men. $113. 10. 7. Yeah, that was one. I remember seeing that in the arcade, but I didn't really play it that much. I played more Ninja Turtles or Simpsons. I played a lot of, which are both very similar games. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if they all use the same engine or code base, I should say. All right, let's go back. My chair. If I can beat, now that I'm more relaxed after kicking ass in X-Men, see if I can beat this boss. I was so close a second ago.
I must return to Trevor.
Yeah.
The mirror fragment that I took.
Yeah, like especially when you would take off in the balloon. That's true. golden axe, yeah. And golden axe is on there too.
I'll see your cadaver at my feet.
My only criticism about those games are is that the scoring is just bunk. It's just the scoring is 1, and so it doesn't add for much variety, I guess. I mean, I guess it's a at least there is a score. You know, some of these games don't even have scores. Fair. Not fair at all.
I've waited centuries for this moment.
Where'd he go?
I will avenge you, brother.
Got me boxed in a corner. Doesn't happen very often.
I waited centuries for this moment. You are mine. You are my final victim.
Dang it. I guess it's unblockable. You have to.
I'll see your cadaver at my feet. I will avenge you, brother.
Ah! Got such good attacks.
You be my final victim. Brother, guard my weapon.
Dang it, so close.
I will avenge you, brother.
He does that double attack there.
Honor
Pretty
my
deadly.
brother with your death. Brother, guard my weapon.
Oh, so close again. Man. Ah. So close. Oh, what do you want me to add, RK Bear? That was so close. Tubin! I forgot about the game Tubin. Oh, that would be a good one. It had a cool arcade cabinet too, if I remember correctly. Or some of them did. Yeah, basically you're on an inner tube and you... Yeah, that's a good one. I totally forgot about Tubin, and I do not have it on there. Yeah, it's a good one. Hey, y'all picked one I knew. Yeah, I don't remember being very good at it either. All right, let me say add Tubin arcade machine. I was also working on upgrading the MAME version on the machine. I literally have not updated that MAME version on that machine in like 9 years. It's like the original MAME version that I had. And so it's kind of amazing that it just still works. So, oh, what do you want me to add? Another one. Actually, it's good that you're doing them at the same time because it is faster for me to do multiple. 720, yeah. Yeah, 720. I remember that. Yeah, I was going to say, I didn't remember Skate or Die, but I remember 720. Yeah. All right, I will add those there. Oh, Greggles wants me to add one too. What do you want me to add, Greggles? Starblade. All right, and it was a Namco game. That one I have not heard of. Was that is that a shooter? I mean, not a first person shooter. I can look real quick. Hold on. So there's a site that I use a lot called the Arcade Database. And what was it called again? First person space shooter, rail shooter. Okay. Starblade. All right, let's take a look. It has a yellow light on it. Let's see what it says about it. Interesting look. It says the graphics are imperfect, and that's it. So, hey, let's try it. Let's see what it looks like. There are a few games where the graphics look imperfect. So, yeah, it looks interesting. Looks like it has kind of like early 3D. Yeah, I'm not familiar with it either, but yeah, let's try it. I will put those 3 games on there. Yeah, the site I like to use is this one. And it's got, you can look up any MAME ROM basically, and it just tells you if it works or not. And also now lately it has the marquee and some screenshots, which are really handy as well. But yeah. It'll tweak Super Nintendo. Oh, was it on the SNES at all? I don't think we did a death. So I'm gonna do a death. All right, let's try it again. How are we doing on time? We're doing fine. Inspired Star Fox. Oh, okay. Yeah, I could see that looking at the screenshots.
I must return to Trevor and give him the mirror fragment that I took from Agrias.
I will honor my brother with your death!
Not fair. How did he get his stick back so fast?
You pay for this betrayal!
That double attack is deadly when he does that. I hate that move.
You be my final victim!
Hit me. shit. I guess I gotta dodge, double dodge or something.
I waited centuries for this moment. I'll see your cadaver at my feet.
I somehow dodged that attack.
You'll be my final victim. I waited centuries for this moment.
Yeah, that was just too difficult right there. All right, we're gonna try one more time, and then we'll take a Fries quest break.
I must return to Trevor and give him the mirror fragment that I took from Agrias.
I'll see your cadaver at my feet.
Dodge the wrong way.
Avenge you, brother. I'll see your cadaver at my feet.
That attack, I've got to go one way then the other. I got to remember that. It's just so easy to not to go one way.
I will avenge you, brother. You are mine.
Dang it.
I'll see your cadaver at my feet.
Got a double there. Oh, come on! There's no way!
I waited centuries for this moment. I will avenge you, brother! I will honor my brother with your death!
Ah!
My move was too slow. Your moves are weak, old man. Ah! That was a camera problem.
I waited centuries for this moment. I will avenge you, brother!
Oh, he got me with the sickles! Ah! He got me. Alright, we're gonna try one more time. I know I said one more time, but we're doing it one more time. Even though I am out of Diet Coke, and that's not a good sign.
To Trevor and give him the mirror fragment that I took from Agrias.
Ugh. So close, so close. And I felt good too at the beginning because I was doing a lot of good dodging. Right there. Dang it.
You'll be my final victim.
A lot of sticking and moving.
I will honor my brother with your death. You'll pay for this betrayal.
Gotta go the other way. Oh, fuck. He really fucked me up with that.
I will honor my brother with your death.
Ah, he got me.
I will avenge you, brother.
Oh man, that double attack.
You'll be my final victim.
Dang it! Just wasting the sword.
You'll pay for this betrayal. You'll be my final victim.
Yeah, this isn't it.
I waited centuries for this moment.
Yeah. Now we will prize quest. Alright! Exclamation mark join if you would like to play some Fries Quest. Oh, another one you want me to add. What do you want me to add?
Welcome to Neil's Deals. We're fresh out of lore.
Oh, my back. Kadash. Okay. I will take a look. Add. Oops, you forgot the exclamation mark.
Oh,
There you
I
go.
see you're buying a potion. It might prevent death. Side effects might include growing mushrooms and
All right,
warts
if you played
and loss of sensation in naughty places.
last game, you can join on in. Or it will be a arcade bear only battle, which would be interesting. Oh, here comes Greggles. It's nice. The hair, you know, it's funny now that we have the hair in it. I should have added it earlier because it's been ready. I just haven't integrated it. I should just work on something and then release it is what I should do. Not bundle things up. I don't think you'll get platinum. Well, 24. It's possible that you could get it, but unlikely. I would not say no. That's not possible.
Time's up. Have fun watching the floor.
Yeah. You got a gold dragon and 2 bats, level 1 bats. That's not good. Well, good luck with the bat, or with the dragon. There you go. Alright, I'll be right back. See you in a second.
Did you fall asleep and forget to use your potion again?
Oh no. What happened? What do you mean I need to reset the game? Oh, you're not wasting a potion on it? You could have done it! It was so close!
he had 15 hit points left. So that was just it was looking grim. I came back and I was like, oh, they're doing it. They're doing it. And then I noticed that you were dead, Arcade Bear, with a potion.
I must return to Trevor and give him the mirror fragment that I took from Agrias.
Claire emote.
I will avenge you, brother!
It gives me a little bit. I feel like I haven't cooled down now fighting this guy.
I will honor my brother with your death!
Oh, come on.
You'll pay for this betrayal!
That's a pretty harsh move there, dude.
You'll be my final victim! You are mine! You are mine! You'll be my final victim! You'll pay for this betrayal! I waited centuries for this moment. Brother, get my weapon! I'll see your cadaver at my feet! I will avenge you, brother! I waited centuries for this moment.
Dang it.
I will honor my brother with your death!
No! No! God dang it. He had no health left. He had no health left, and he did like the 2 moves that that always end up in my death. Oh my god, so close. Oh man. So close. And I felt so good
Must return to
on that
training.
attack. On that whole round, I was feeling really good. My dodges were on point. On point, I tell you.
I'll see your cadaver at my feet.
It helps if I can see
I
him.
will avenge you, brother.
Dang it. It's that attack. That's the attack I don't like. If he dodges me, I mean, yeah, and that one too. That one.
You'll pay for this betrayal. I will honor my brother with
Right
your
into him. Dang it!
You will be my final victim.
I'm trying to do something fancy, like get a block in, but you can't block those moves. I don't know why I'm trying.
I will avenge you, brother. I waited centuries for this moment. I'll see your cadaver at my feet. You'll be my final victim. I've waited centuries for this moment.
Finally. Finally. I'm sure this is going to be an epic death. Oh, God. Oh, am I going to rip his mask off? Ah! It's going to be a little girl's head in there or something. be a doll head. Oh no, I guess he's just dead. Whew. That was something else. Natural selection was the trophy. Okay. Vengeful stab. I guess I gotta go up there. Can I swim in this game? I don't even know if I can swim in this game. Oh, it's not deep. So the story is kind of told through dead soldiers. Shortly after entering the greenhouse, I noticed that something strange was happening inside. The tops of the trees swayed as one, though no wind was pushing them. An intoxicating smell seemed to flood everything, and no sound other than our footsteps could be heard around us. One of us, frantic, drew his weapon. He thought he had seen a face in one of the trees, and he began cutting its trunk. That was when a whirlwind of leaves engulfed him, coloring the ground red with his blood, and the rest of the company began to panic. Some of them ran away, others simply disappeared, but Captain Robert and I stood our ground. Terrified, I looked to my superiors and his orders, but all I found was the face of someone who had gone mad and sought to kill me. We crossed our swords several times, and stabbed each other in the chest. I was fortunate enough to be able to hide and leave a record of the dangers that befell us before I lost my mind completely. All right. Thank you. Guess I just have to go up here. I think that's just going to close the door. Yeah. Uh-oh. Wah! You need to die. Suck its blood. Get some health from it. Yum yum. Couldn't get it because it was on that statue. There we go. I'm in the fire. Guess it doesn't matter. Ah, more. Well, thank you for not attacking me earlier. Oh, too late. Yum. Oh, that's right. This is his son. This is like all weird. It's like the past.
Have you brought the mirror?
I'm sorry. It's broken.
Broken? That's strange. No matter.
Nice, scary codpiece.
Oh yeah, he's got the cod piece.
Can you find all the missing pieces for me, Father?
I'll try.
Oh great.
Wait for me here.
You mean there's more than one missing piece? What the hell? Hey, Bobby. Test your aim now. Do your best, and the toy maker will reward your skill. Aim. Oh. Well, I didn't know what I was doing. That's totally not fair. Totally not fair. You know, it's funny. Well, I guess it's Ash Ketchum's hat, but had to kind of cool. All right, well, thanks for lurking. All right. So, I guess I'm supposed to shoot the target. All right, so we'll try it again. Awesome. I didn't know what I was doing before, so it's just not fair. Just not fair. Go this way? Well, wait. How am I supposed to get out? Okay, I guess I was supposed to do it twice. The Toy Master in this was kind of weird in the last game.
Let us eradicate the shadows. He's mine!
Leviosa.
Tellum Magica! Insigniex Magus!
Leviosaur. Make something like that.
Globus ex ignifer!
He's saying like Latin words.
Come to me, brothers! Move away! He's lying! Insigniex Magus! Die, devil! Die, devil!
All right. What was that? Oh, I lost my powers. My special powers. Oh. I don't think I was doing it correctly. What? That was not very fair. Because there's not any running. That I know of. Okay.
Take him down!
Yum, yum, yum.
Meow, meow, meow.
That's a Meow Mix commercial. Meow, 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 meow. He's Dracula, not a cat.
Are you saying meow?
Are you saying meow? Right, meow? The armor is making my body cold, and the exhaustion leaves me numb. Will it never stop snowing in this place? I've managed to drag myself to the old theater. I must find refuge, but I'm afraid to enter. I hear hysterical laughter inside, and I think I know what it is. The legend is true. The elders weren't lying. The toy maker exists. In the cold nights of winter, they spoke of him and his story. In their version, though, the toy maker disappeared into the eternal hibernation. I suppose the fearsome lord of the castle woke him up when he took this place over. The laughter has stopped. I think the worst has passed. I'll wait here a minute more and then go in. And you died. All right. Ow. Where do I go?
Where do you go, my lovely?
Go up. This looks not good. Open theater area.
seems like a place for a fight. I see. Saying I have to go down there. The only time you go down there is if you're a rat. So I wonder if there's like a dark spot where I have to turn into a rat. Wait, nope. Here's a twisty thingy. Oh. Not what I expected, but I will take it. Oh. I was like, why isn't it working anymore? Okay, now we're full. Okay, I thought that was how we're going to get in. There appears to be a switch over here. Needs power. More power. Guess let's go up on stage. Ah, it's the body of Abraham Lincoln. I have found Sir Gerard. He hid outside the auditorium. He went mad and now refuses to go on. It seems that the old toy maker has been awoken, and the knights of the Brotherhood should bow down fearfully before him. Before his talking dolls. What threat could some wooden puppets and strings pose? The lights are going out now. The curtain is opening. A melody begins to play, and the presenter starts the show. I must wait here until the music stops. It wouldn't be polite to interrupt the show, even if one is to be the star of it. Hey. Ah. So this is what we were looking for. This will allow me to turn into a rat. Rat! I notice he always has rat friends. It's never just, you don't just turn into a rat, you turn into multiple rats.
One rat isn't enough to hold him.
Yeah. Okay. I can't go over that part? That's weird. Ah. So usually there has to be a black dark spot for me to turn back into, because he's so ashamed of being a rat that he has to hide in the dark. Yeah. This looks like the power of
Christ compels you.
Oh no, it's I guess wrong. You fight fire with fire. Okay, I guess I have power now, so I can turn back into a rat.
Do you have unlimited power?
Well, I don't know if it's unlimited. Oh, great. Oh, I have to go. Oh, I have to turn into a rat and go through the gears. That makes me feel safe.
Marvelous.
Oh, of course. I don't want to get screwed. Ooh, this one's moving fast. Of course. Press 0 to gnaw this rope. Okay, it didn't look like a rope. Was that intentional that you're supposed to get hit like that? That's funny. Oh, I guess I have, just like cats, I have 9 lives. Now I have 7 lives. That's the meter up at the top there.
I think that's why there are multiple rats. Jump to another.
Yeah, you just turned into another rat, right? Oh yeah, it was this. Let me guess, the puppet's alive.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if the dream of reason produces monsters, the theater dispels them with its magic. Now be afraid before the conjurer who conquered the creatures of the night. With his genius and his heart. Give a big round of applause for the mighty toy maker. The famous and beloved toy maker, we will learn, has a sad fate over his head. For in spite of his goodness, a path of tragedy and death he will tread. Day and night in his workshop he labors, he hammers, he sweats, and he fasts. And with every blow he strikes, sighs fly from his soul to the figures he crafts.
Listen to the narration and place the characters and the appropriate decoration on the stage at the right moment to enable the show to reach its end. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, yeah, we got to repeat the narration. I will admit I was not paying attention. All right.
The famous and beloved toy maker, day and night in his workshop.
Okay.
Splendid choice. His fame spreads in whispers across the land far and wide, until his name is known and respected by every man and child. One fateful day, a nobleman knocks at his workshop door. He's jolted from his work with a start. The promises and smiles of Walter Bernhardt conceal a dark, perfidious heart.
Alright, said... Okay.
Excellent decision. Walter offers a roof, friendship, protection, a hearth. The Bernhardt's castle will be a dazzling mansion for the old toy maker, and worthy of his craft. A curse on you, Walter Bernhardt, for deceiving such a good soul. May you be damned to spend all eternity in hell's darkest hole. Very astute. Our hero works away happily in the castle of his dreams. But soon we will see his perfidious master's purpose is not what it seems. Oh my god! This is no castle but a prison! Poor Toymaker, now you understand how close is your perdition. Hide yourselves, boys and girls. Walter Bernhardt is preparing an invocation here. A terrible creature of hell is about to appear.
Well, I'm sure. Select kid. Oh, I didn't even see that kid.
Extraordinary! Oh no! The demon is conjuring a charm! Take cover now, if you are easily alarmed. Oh no! The Toymaker's talent now comes to his perfidious benefactor's aid. Far behind him now are the toys and the theater he had made. Oh, if only to undo this vile spell there were some chance, and so release the good Toymaker from the grip of his vile trance.
Oh my. Alright, so let's listen to it again.
The Toymaker's talent, toys and the theater.
Yeah.
The Toymaker's talent, toys and the theater. Phenomenal! His mind may be in a fog, but the Toymaker's good heart shines through, you can tell. And a little love is all it takes to destroy the terrible spell. But now you must think fast, Toymaker. Your situation is dire. Walter Bernhardt is returning. I don't know how you can escape from this smile. Oh, what a terrible and fortunate idea, boys and girls. Come on, little one. Hold on to that heart so pure and true. In a distant and hopeful future, you may return it to the one who gave it to you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the heart of a man whose goodness went deep. Listen now and decide if you will wake him from his long sleep.
All right. I guess I need to take that heart.
How did I know this was going to be something? Hey, potential tadpole. Oh, the little eyes are creepy.
Oh, hello there.
Nice.
Thank you for returning my heart, good sir. How long has it been? Never mind, it doesn't matter now. Your face seems oddly familiar.
You must be up in Canada then.
You must forgive me. I'm just a little confused, you see. I suppose my memory will return in time.
Your memories are of no interest to me, Toymaker. I'm looking for the Mirror of Fate.
The Mirror of Fate? If I'm not mistaken, the mirror was broken many years ago. Yes, now I remember. It was when the Lord of Darkness was defeated by his own son. The castle came down, and the mirror broke. I vaguely recollect seeing it amongst the ruins.
What?
Wait!
Oh.
I found a fragment and I kept it. Now I remember.
Oh, let me guess. You're not going to hand it to me.
Happening?
Oh, of course.
Ta-da! Time to play! Ooh, watch me!
Bye. Oh, of course.
What have we here today? A walk-on actor, Let's see how well you improvise! The valiant Sir Walter de Grey brandished his infallible spear, ready to defeat the sinister invader who threatened his kingdom. Come on, Sir Walter's skill was legendary throughout the kingdom. The memory of his beloved Brunhilde filled the knight's arm with strength.
He's got that lance is pretty long.
Careful, Sir Walter! The arms of your enemy are treacherous!
Take that, scoundrel! My revenge will be terrible!
Come on, Sir Walter! Are you trying to outshine me? I will teach you method acting!
I will teach you method acting.
I cannot act without force! I will teach you method acting! Time for Act 2! The treacherous dragon Saron Ganthrix, seeing the kingdom unprotected, decided to leave its lair to sow terror and destruction. The dragon's breath was a blaze worthy of hell itself! The evil invader had met its match! Hellish flame sprung from the dragon's belly! The dragon's breath was a blaze worthy of hell itself! Hellish flame sprung from the dragon's belly! The evil invader had met its match! The evil invader had met its match! The dragon's breath was a blaze worthy of hell itself!
Oh, that's a bad move.
The dragon's breath was a blaze worthy of hell itself! The evil invader had met its match! Come on, Sauron Gantharix! Don't fall asleep now! Damn! Stop undermining my play! I will teach you method acting! You have no appreciation for the art of acting! Let's improve the staging! Let's improve the staging! Don't get up! The show's not over yet! Let's see how well you play your death scene! Come on! Improvise now! I'll smash you like a flea!
Figure out what I need to do.
Oh, you look so little from up here! Phew, that was close! That hurts! Phew, that was close! How do you plan to get me way up here? Oh, you look so little from up here!
Yeah, this character is pretty funny. I think he was in the last game. All this puking blood.
Oh my. What happened? What was I saying?
You were about to give me a fragment of the Mirror of Fate.
Ah, yes. Here it is. Oh, yes. Good. Good. You know, it's all starting to come back to me. I know who you are. Oh, my.
Goodbye, old man. Guard your heart well.
I have earned a trophy. He made the penguin cry. He looked like he was a mix between the penguin and the Joker. Hey, Magna Lupus. A poker. Exactly. What? Well, that's one way to just jump off and die. Guess I'm supposed to go this way.
Come to me, Armas!
Levioso!
The Brotherhood is counting on us! Armas! Move away! He's lying! Insigniax Magus! Move away! He's lying! Die, devil!
Oh, come on! I was eating his blood. Yeah, it was a cool character, I agree.
The Brotherhood is... Let us eradicate the shadow!
Like I said, I'm pretty sure that character's been in the game before. Well, and especially like even original Castlevania had those creepy dolls in them. I think that was supposed to be like the toy maker's dolls.
Move away! He's lying! Move away! He's lying! Die, devil! Move away! He's lying! Have faith, brother! Die, devil!
Basically, you have to attack that one. He's like controlling the other one. Yeah, I'm not sure who's. Oh, there's another one. Oh, maybe he never. I don't think he died. No. Tasty snack. You know, I should use. I don't use this thing enough. Which heals me. I actually do have healing, and I forget about it.
fail. You lose. Good day, sir. I just wanted to get out of here. I didn't really care.
You lose, big guy.
Exactly. Alright.
Have you brought me another piece?
There are still some missing pieces.
There is one other piece, and I know who has it. But he isn't here in the castle.
Right.
Where is he, Sam?
Close your eyes. Just for a moment.
Okay.
Very well.
What else is going on? That'd be cool. Weren't they gonna do that? I thought they were gonna do that. And then it kind of fell apart. Oh. I think this is Patrick Stewart's house. Yep, there's Patrick Stewart.
I'm pleased to see you again. What happened to you after you destroyed the Acolyte? I lost all trace of you. Where have you been?
Attending to my own affairs.
Ah, I see. But of course you have been away such a long time.
Everything appears to be in order, sir.
The other acolytes will know one of them is dead by now.
Indeed. But they don't know who was responsible. I'm sure word will reach them soon. I have little doubt that they will discover who it was before too long. I'm afraid that they already suspect you have come out of hiding, my friend. Even as we speak, a powerful presence searches for you in your little hideout in the church.
Who?
An envoy of the Acolytes, I believe, though I cannot be certain.
I'll go and see for myself. Whoever it is may lead us to them.
Accompany him.
No. I don't need a dog.
Ouch. Okay. Holy shit! It's crowded in this underneath here. Oh my goodness! I've been slain. What? Did he explode? He exploded. Yeah, Yeah, see, I thought he was gonna explode. That's not very fair. That I don't know why that wouldn't be fair. You know, that happens to me too in playing games. Especially if I haven't played it in a long time, then I definitely am like, I don't remember this. If I've played it kind of recently, as I watch people on Twitch play it, I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that. Like I'm remembering it as it's happening. Supposed to go this way. I see nothing. Ah, I see a door. Oh wait, this is where we came from. Maybe we're supposed to go out into this.
Surround him!
What? Ow. That hurt.
Die! Wax it for all!
Why won't you fall?
Die! Wax it for all!
Come here.
Wax it for all! Fire! Fire! Surround him!
Please don't attack me while I'm eating your friends. That's just common courtesy.
Defensive action! Die! Wax it for all! He's human!
I don't think I'm supposed to go this way, but look at this. Ah. Use that. Hmm. I think it wants us to go in here. We've been in here. This is a part we've been in. Oh, I see. There's stuff this way. Oh, of course. Duh. Sometimes I forget some of my abilities. Enough. Another skill point. Icy wind. R2 plus square. Hmm. Almost dead. I just want to kill him. I want to eat him. Gotta go that way. Maybe I wasn't supposed to go the way. Oh, that's right. Right.
Hold your position! He's chilling. Why won't he fall? Defensive action!
Burn him in the suit.
Hold your position! Defensive action! Why won't he fall?
I was asking about you. Got him. Okay, I didn't see a save spot. Next save spot, we'll take a break and do some Fries quest. Ooh, how do I get there?
not that way. Okay.
You're finished, scum.
Die, rebel scum. Did say that. All right, let's play some Fries Quest real quick. I'm out of Diet Coke. I know, it's surprising. Exclamation mark join if you'd like to play. There you go. Evil bud.
Special today. On nothing.
Ready for battle.
Ready for action.
Are you doing some sewing? What are you doing?
Give him hell, kiddo.
All right. I will be altering some overalls. That's right. You said that earlier. All right. I'll be right back. See you in a second.
Welcome to Neil's Deals. We're fresh out of lore.
Ready for action. Ready for battle.
Shop's closed. Have fun counting sheep. Welcome to Neil's Deals. We're fresh out of lore.
Ready for action. Ready for battle.
Give 'em hell, kiddo.
Who's gonna get it? Evil Bug. You got plenty of fries. Why do you need more fries? You must have taken advantage of the sale that was going on yesterday. The BOGO. Congrats.
Open fire!
Oh, he's exploding. Come on. Why can't I get his head to explode?
Why will he fall?
I'm out. Crap.
Hold your position! Why won't he fall? Defensive action!
Come on, I dodged that. It didn't spend all of your gold? Yeah. Oh, it killed me! It killed me. Dang it.
Of course it did.
Yeah. Well, I think it was dying. And so...
Zobek senses a powerful presence in the old cathedral.
I think its explosion killed me. Oh, we're gonna have to fight it all over again. Okay, now I kind of know what to do, so.
You're finished, scum.
Die, rebel scum.
Surround him!
He isn't human.
There we go.
Hold your position! Die! Watch it roll! Defensive action!
That was my mistake. I was getting too greedy. Too greedy. I just like this
Someone
scene
is
so
snooping
much.
around the old cathedral where I woke up. I must discover who it is.
You're finished, scum.
Still the right move to go after its head first.
Surround him! Open fire! Hold your position! Die! Watch it roll!
Oh, come on.
He's human.
See, that's where it exploded earlier and killed me. Oh, did it go through his hand? Oh good, the grill's intact. It's okay. Am I supposed to go through the grill? Crap. Oh, I see. The things you miss. Oh. It's like, what's going on? I guess I can fall from any height, so... Is this someone? Oh, I thought it was... Wait, who is this? Oh my. That was unexpected. Okay, I guess I'm supposed to go this way. Is that like its scent? Are we supposed to be following its scent? These things again. Good job. I'm attacking everything except what I'm supposed to be attacking. Seems like I'm supposed to go in here. Oh no, wait. I forgot about the purple haze. What did it say? Am I supposed to miss there? Oh, chaos claws. Right. Why can't I? The First Factory of Bernhard Metals Limited, celebrating this centenary of its foundation, pays tribute to the illustrious CEO. He, like all the Bernhards who preceded him in office, illuminates our lives with his wisdom and goodness. The lineage of the Bernhards has worked hard enough through the centuries for the good of the people of this ancient city. The metallurgical industries, hospitals, schools, and theaters that now bear his name are witness to their greatness. The humble memorial is a symbol of our eternal gratitude and admiration. Wonderful. Guess I shouldn't have jumped down? Oh, maybe I'm supposed to somehow up across here? I want to swing it this way. Oh, I see. Ah, crap. Of course. They can only get swung one direction. Eventually. And that's the direction that the... there's a metal platforms. Oh, this one has... It can be swung either way. I'm gonna say, please don't do it again. Oh, I see.
crap. Doesn't even seem like the right way. This seems like I'm just following this purple scent. The nice camera work there. This has Lara Croft all over it. Why can't I jump there? Alright, fuck this. How do I get out of here? Of course. Ow.
Oh, come on.
I don't know where it's going to take me back to.
I should follow that man's trail. He's got a role to play in all of this.
Do you look on my monitor to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I was going to say, there's no way you're getting that timing so perfect. Oh, I see. Are we going all the way back to here? Oh, okay. Going back to this point. It's kind of far back, but... Aha. I should have looked in here earlier. Uh-oh. I'm sure they'll be okay. It's just gonna take longer to cook, right? Ah, it did get me. Just go back over here and get some more energy. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. I wasn't doing it correctly. Look at that. There's some health. Yeah, I don't think this was anything. I think I was just... Although it does say... Trying to indicate that we gotta go this way. Oh, but see, then I go under here and it says, no, you're wrong. Bless you, Neil. I must have to go up. Maybe I do need to go that direction I was going earlier. Oh, here's something. Ooh. Oh yeah, one of these. Okay. Now see, this is much faster.
Gotta be. Hey, Dallas Corgi, how's it going? How have you been doing? Cool. The only thing I can think of is because I didn't go the way the mist tells me that maybe I forgot something. Dracula always lands on his feet. That. But do I have to follow the purple? Is the question. I will ask you that, Dallas. Okay. Well, this part is what I didn't like. Having to cross over this was annoying for me. Specifically right here. But of course now somehow I seem to be able to do it. Oh, but of course there's a second level. Wonderful. That? Can I get there, or do I have to? Did I just sacrifice all of that for that? Fucking A. That isn't what I wanted to do. You would think I'm sitting here destroying his friend. He'd be like, I'm out of here. That's a good question, too. I think they were like, well, it's modern times, so why doesn't anyone have any guns? Shit. Like, can I move this? It's funny how it seems like that's a long way to jump, and yet earlier it didn't seem like I was jumping all that far. They could learn something from Lara Croft. Oh wait, let's look at where I'm supposed to be going. I need to go up. I need to go up there. Okay, I think I see. Oh, okay. Look, there's stairs. Now where? Oh. Like all metal girders. Oh good, a save point. I really want him to bust through that glass. I was sucking in things. Alright, so obviously I need to go this way. Oh no. Gonna make my water stop. All right, so I have to basically get rid of that. missing everything. There we go. I want to get this guy to explode and take everyone out. Give me a second to eat your friends. Oh, come on! Although right through here is a... Not that. Not that. Oh my goodness, that. Okay. They probably had to do that so that you could, you know, if you were out of void energy in order to cast this spell. I didn't realize you could actually go up on health by eating people. Of course it requires power. Oh, great. Hurry before the ice melts. The power went out right as I flipped the switch, so it's obviously timed. Wonderful. me guess, it's gonna explode. You're gonna ride it over. Hilarious. Oh, hold on. This is gonna be awesome. Yeehaw! I guess I better be ready for any quick time events. Oh yeah, that was much easier. Also, I wouldn't want to have missed that. All right. That. I'm sure this is like power, so I should probably do this first. Sounds like a festival going on. Can't shoot me through the statue. Here's this guy. Assassin's Creed wannabe. Oh, here comes this thing. Oh, he's jumping much better. Oh, he's a Belmont. Oh. Okay, yeah. No, that's a... I remember getting that ability at one point. So he leaves me to fight this guy. Holy shit.
isn't what I was hoping for. You know what I could use though? Oh, fuck. When are we gonna get rid of that thing? I have another one of those. Right through his head. There we go. Well, we did it. One try. Is that the right way to go? Oh. Power. Fragile. I mean, there's got to be a reason. Oh, well, that was interesting. Over here too. Based on the law of holy censorship, Bishop Rolian IV prohibited the image of the paintings, tapestries, and other pictorial representations stored together with this writing be transported or reproduced outside of this room, or that they be restored by anyone from the outside of our holy order. With this, we want to keep these works and their dubious messages from confusing our devout citizens and avoid that some unscrupulous person could change the way they look
The soul of the one who disobeys this decree will automatically be excommunicated and condemned to the burning fires of hell for all eternity. Why, thank you. All right. What are we missing? Oh, the doors were open. The door. That's what we're missing, that the doors were open.
Everything in order. Perimeter secured.
I don't see anybody. This guy. Oh, at least he doesn't have his face shield. There's two of them. Dang it. I got caught. All right. Ah! I'm being attacked now. There's a bug. Okay. Don't see. Ow. That I was not expecting. I don't know what I experienced. Right. Maybe this way? Say, let me grab the heart. Going up or down? Feels like I'm going. Alright. Extra red magic. Y'all, oh, you can barely see it sticking up over over there. Okay. Seems like we're still going up. Oh. Not this way. This is where we came in. Maybe we do need to go down. Here, let's just go down. We're Dracula. We can go. We can fall as far as we want to. Alright, we did just hit a save. So I think what we'll do is stop here. Because it is 7 o'clock. It is time for me to wrap up. But thank you everyone for being here. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, and on Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern. We'll be back tomorrow night with more Castlevania 2, Castlevania Lords of Shadow 2. Tomorrow afternoon, I will be on a panel with other streamers over 40 as we kind of just talk about our journey as being the elder statesman of Twitch, I guess. It's all being hosted by C-Dub Gaming, and Play Jason will be there too. But Sunday at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, and it will be over at let's see, there it is. I guess if I copy the text, yeah, because we're old. Oh, not all the text. Just want that URL. I just want the URL. Boom. There's the channel. I will be at 3:30 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, I mean, whatever. No, we'll talk about it. I mean, from my perspective, I don't see anything different, but maybe younger people do. I don't know. But anyway, hope to see you there. Otherwise, I will see you back here tomorrow night at 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Thank you so much. If you can't be here live, go check out YouTube. That's my YouTube channel, JFries TV. And thank you to all these people over here. That's my subscribers. Thank you, subscribers. So technically 2 streams tomorrow, just won't be on this channel. It'll be over at that channel, Gaming Panels. So yeah, I will be streaming. I don't think that one's going to be very long. I think it's just going to be about an hour. So yeah. So yeah, technically 2 streams tomorrow. I'll be spending some of my Sunday doing that, which is cool. I don't mind doing it. And yeah, you should just go check out the gaming. There's the main channel, main gaming channel too, GAYMING. You should go check out that. They're doing events all weekend, various panels and stuff like that. So there's like the main stage, and I guess we're not on the main stage. We're on the secondary stage, the gaming panels, which is cool. I don't mind. I think it'll be fun. What else? I guess that's it. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want to chat more, go check out the Discord. And there's our raid message. First one if you're a subscriber, second one if you're not. Right. Let's see who's out there. I hope y'all all have a great weekend. You know what? You know who we're going to go see, Evil Bud? Let's see if what's he doing? Is he just starting? Or is he ending? Oh, he's just starting. Shall we go see Fernan Ufrat? He's a wonderful, yeah, exactly. That's where I was going. All right, let's go there. I was saying Evil Bud because he's the one who introduced me to him, and he's a fantastic musician. Does a lot of just general rock songs, all acoustically on his channel, and pretty cool guy too. Very chill. In fact, he calls this place Chillsville. So yeah. Although it says Porkville 4. Give us more, MOAR. Oh, it says 21 plus mature audience. Oh, because he's doing a stream with Pork Roll Bob. That's why. Yeah, there you go. All right, thanks again, everyone, for being here. I hope you have a great weekend, and hope to see you tomorrow afternoon for the gaming panels broadcast over with the gaming magazine. And yeah, he's co-streaming too. And tomorrow night for more Castlevania and Lords of Shadow 2. Stay safe, everyone. All right, love you all. Bye.